They say the right tool makes all the difference in the world, and this has never been more true than when harvesting wheat. I started out this morning just using actually some hedge clippers, and it was slow going. It took me about 4 hours to get about a third of the way through this. We ran out to Tractor Supply, got ourselves the right tool, and it took me maybe 20 minutes to do the same amount of work. So anyway, what we're doing is we're cutting all the wheat down today. The birds have started getting into it. It's ripe and ready to be harvested. So we're just cutting it and stacking it in piles, and then we're using just taking a piece of wheat and loosen up a little bit. We're taking these bundles, tying them together, and just using that piece of wheat to tie the bundle together. Just broke that one, but so anyway, afterwards we're just stacking them up, letting the heads dry, and we'll show you how we thresh and winnow the seed once it's all harvested. Now I gotta get back to work. Nice to kind of get into a rhythm while you're working.
You wouldn't be a true yuppie farmer if you weren't wearing your Chaco sandals.
And this episode has been to you by Chaco sandals. They're great sandals. They float and they'll give you cool tan lines. Chaco. And now back to your regularly scheduled program. Oh my Lord, 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 Lord. Oh my Lord. Wake up in the morning, waiting for the sun to go down. Wake up in the morning, put my back into the ground. Oh my Lord, 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 oh my Lord. Woo! A little hot out here. We're almost done. We'll get back to it. I think this is where the term back-breaking labor was invented.
This is what a bad dog looks like.
Farm dog, we're sending you on vacation. Nothing but trouble. Just slowing us down. I guess it's nice that they like to be around us.
Yeah?
Haven't totally broken their hearts yet. I guess that's it. Time to take this stuff to the threshing floor. So we've decided, since we're going to thresh this today, not to bundle each, not to tie each bundle up. We're just going to go ahead and thresh it, just grab a handful at a time and thresh it over a cinder block. So get this done, we'll show you that part of the process.
Kill the mole. Kill the mole. Kill it. Kill it. You must kill the mole. Kill the mole. Kill it.
That's what 600 square feet of winter wheat looks like.
Such a soft material, though.
We got our Ethan Allen threshing floor. Alright, back to reality. We have some almost clean grain. Just winnowed a few more times and feed that to the chickens. Come and get it. Come and get it.
I don't have it. Oh, you just want to be a star? Just want to be...
That's about maybe just 10 fistfuls of stalks, just a tiny fraction of what we harvested.
Are you grain addicts?
The junkies.
Junkies. Alright, you guys are YouTube stars now.
Send you the royalty check.